Hi, Tyson Mutrux here, the Mutrux Firm Injury Lawyers. And today I want to talk about why I love when defendants refuse to accept liability. Today I did a deposition of a defendant. She hit my client as he was walking through a crosswalk, and it was all on video. So we know she was clearly at fault, but she is the only person, that any reasonable person watching this video, she's the only person that won't admit that she was at fault for what happened. And she kept digging and digging and digging herself into a deeper hole. And it's great for the case because at trial, a jury is going to hate her so much. I'm going to put that video in front of a jury. I'm going to put her testimony in front of the jury. I recorded the deposition, so the jury's actually going to see her give these responses on the stand on video, and they're going to show how she's just either a liar or someone that just will not admit when they're wrong. And I absolutely love it in those situations. And a lot of people think, I'm like, what sucks that they won't admit liability. They don't need to, right? That adds value to the case. Whenever the defendant isn't willing to accept the responsibility for their actions, for the things that they've done to harm someone else, it's great for a case, okay? It does prolong things because sometimes you actually do have to go to trial, but it's great for the value of the case. And even for settlement purposes, even though we had to go all the way through a deposition and file suit on this case just to get them to get to where we are now, what we can now do is I can talk to the defense attorney, which I've already done, and say, listen, your client clearly got some issues here. Your client won't accept responsibility. The jury's going to hate her, so you're going to have to offer up some more money. And that's what, and the defense counsel completely agreed. And so that's what they're going to have to do in this case. They're going to have to offer more money than what this case is probably worth just to resolve it, because they know that a jury is not going to like her. So that's why I like whenever the defendant does not admit liability. It's actually pretty good for the case sometimes. But if you have any other questions about that, give us a call, 888-550-4026. Make sure also check out our website, TysonMutrux.com. Also like and subscribe to this video. We have a lot of great information every single day on this channel. And then also make sure you like us on Facebook, where we also give a lot of great information. It's not always law related. Sometimes it's recipes and fun memes. So it's a different sort of thing that you get from the Facebook page. All right, make a great day out there. We'll see you.